In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Visa card for free with a Wise account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap and what to expect so you can get your Wise Visa debit card without paying for the card itself. First, open the Wise app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account you want the card linked to. If you're new to Wise, you'll see a clean home screen with your balances and recent activity. We're heading to the place where all card settings live. Look toward the bottom navigation and tap Cards. This takes you to the Card Hub, where you can manage any existing cards and, more importantly, start the order for a new one. If you haven't had a card before, you'll see a clear prompt to get started. Next, choose Order a Debit Card. This is the Wise Visa debit card that connects to your multi-currency account, works online and in-store, and can be used while traveling. Wise typically offers both virtual and physical options, but for this walkthrough, we're focusing on getting the physical card for free. On the card selection screen, select the physical card and confirm you see it listed as free. Availability and pricing can vary by country, but when the free option is shown, that's exactly what you want to pick. If you're offered extras like express shipping, remember that the standard route is the one that keeps this free. Now tap Order your standard card. Standard delivery is the no-cost option and is usually the most straightforward. You'll see an estimated delivery window on screen, which can vary based on your location and local postal speeds. Enter your delivery address carefully. Use the full, correct format for your country, including apartment or unit numbers if you have them. Make sure the recipient name matches what's on the mailbox so the courier can deliver without delays. If your building has specific delivery instructions or a preferred entrance, include that in the appropriate field. Avoid P.O. boxes if your region doesn't support delivery to them. When everything looks right, tap Continue. The app will show you a brief summary to confirm your order and delivery details. After that, you're done. You'll usually receive a confirmation in the app and by email, and you can monitor the status there. When the card arrives, the app will guide you through activation so you can start using it safely. That's it. Quick, simple, and free for the standard physical card option. If you don't see the free option, double-check your region and app version. Otherwise, follow these steps and enjoy your new Wise Visa debit card.